Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a CPA. First, you need to meet the education requirements, typically 150 semester hours of college coursework. Next, you must pass the rigorous uniform CPA examination, which consists of 4 separate sections. Finally, you will need to gain a specific amount of relevant work experience, usually 1 to 2 years, supervised by a licensed CPA. This comprehensive process ensures you are well prepared for the profession. The education component is often the first hurdle. While a bachelor's degree is essential, most states require 150 semester hours of college education, which is 30 hours beyond a typical 4-year degree. These additional hours can be completed through a master's program or extra undergraduate courses. Ensure your curriculum includes a certain number of accounting and business-related credits to qualify for the exam. Passing the uniform CPA examination is a significant challenge. It comprises 4 sections: auditing and attestation, business environment and concepts, financial accounting and reporting, and regulation. You must pass all 4 parts within an 18-month rolling period. After the exam, you'll need to complete the experience requirement, typically 1 to 2 years of relevant accounting work, supervised by a licensed CPA. Once you've satisfied the education, exam, and experience criteria, you can apply for your CPA license with your State Board of Accountancy. Remember, obtaining the license is just the beginning. You'll need to fulfill continuing professional education, or CPE, requirements to keep your license active and stay current with industry changes. This ensures you maintain a high level of competence throughout your career. Also, for some great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.